Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a captivating and educational card game that celebrates some of the most groundbreaking inventions in human history. Invention Flash Cards. These cards are not just about learning facts. They're about exploring the stories behind these ingenious creations that have shaped our world. Imagine holding in your hands a card featuring Thomas Edison's legendary light bulb. It's not just an object. It symbolizes Edison's tireless quest for a solution to illuminate the world. Flip it over, and you'll discover how Edison's countless experiments led to the development of the first commercially viable incandescent light bulb, forever changing how we illuminate our homes and cities. Now, let's turn to Alexander Graham Bell's revolutionary invention, the telephone. This wasn't just a means of communication. It was a technological marvel that bridged distances and connected people in ways previously unimaginable. Each card in this game takes you on a journey through time, exploring how these inventions weren't just innovations. They were pivotal moments in human history. From Guglielmo Marconi's groundbreaking work with radio waves, which brought the world closer together through wireless communication, to the life-saving impact of antibiotics discovered by Alexander Fleming, these cards cover a wide spectrum of human achievement. They highlight how curiosity, perseverance, and innovation have shaped our past and continue to drive progress today. Invention Flash Cards are not only incredibly fun to play with, but they're also a powerful tool for learning and development. They encourage children to think critically, solve problems creatively, and delve deeper into the wonders of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Whether you're playing at home with family or using them in classrooms, these cards spark curiosity and inspire a love for learning. Why should you get your hands on Invention Flash Cards? Well, besides being a fantastic way to explore history and science, they're designed to foster meaningful conversations about how these inventions have influenced our lives. Imagine the excitement of discovering how the wheel transformed transportation, or how the internet revolutionized global connectivity. So, join me in celebrating the incredible minds and innovations that have shaped our world. Let's dive into the stories of these inventions, from their humble beginnings to their transformative impacts. Get ready to cut, paste, and embark on an adventure through time and discovery with Invention Flash Cards. So, join me in exploring these incredible inventions that continue to impact our lives today. Whether you're discovering them for the first time or revisiting their importance, Invention Flash Cards are your gateway to learning, discovery, and endless fun. Get ready to cut, paste, and explore the inventions that changed everything. Let's make learning exciting and unforgettable.